From working at McDonald's to crypto billionaire. Success story of a man who built Binance and became the richest person in crypto. Changpeng Zhao is a Chinese Canadian who was born in Jiangsu province of China on 10th September of 1977. Both of his parents were teachers. His father was working as a professor in a university and he was exiled after getting labeled as pro-bourgeois intellect. That resulted for family to move to Vancouver, Canada by the late 80s. During his teenage years in Canada, Zhao started working part-time to support his family. He used to work at McDonald's and a few gas stations after his school. He graduated at McGill University as a computer scientist. After graduation, he started his career as an intern in Tokyo. He worked for a trader on Tokyo's stock exchange who asked Zhao to develop software for matching orders in the stock trade. After that, he joined the Bloomberg Tradebook LLC in 2001 and worked as a head of futures development sector for the next 4 years. Later, in 2005, Zhao co-founded a company called Fusion Systems. The company was involved in providing IT solutions and other business consultancy services. He remained as a partner until the end of 2013 and then entered the world of crypto. He first joined as the head of the development team in blockchain. Blockchain is a company that provides various cryptocurrency-related services. It created a cryptocurrency wallet that has dealt with almost 28% of the Bitcoin transactions between 2011 and 2020. After working in blockchain for a year, he quit from the company and joined the company named OKCoin. But shortly after that, he felt that the company doesn't suit his vision on crypto exchange and quit his position. Coming out of OKCoin, he founded a company named BG Tech. This company provided crypto exchange services to people in Shanghai. It kept serving people for 2 years from 2015 to 2017 until one day all the platforms and websites went dead. With the death of BG Tech emerged a mighty company named Binance. Zhao's interest in cryptocurrencies started in 2014. He was so much into that he even sold his house to buy Bitcoin. Zhao added experience to his interest by working in various companies. He had remained the CEO of the Binance since its formation in 2017. This cryptocurrency exchange platform is the largest in terms of trading. Binance made Zhao a billionaire with just 180 days. He has grown to be the 11th richest person in the world, with his net worth estimated at 96 billion. Zhao faced multiple challenges during these 5 years in Binance. China's policies on crypto forced him to shift the headquarters from the Chinese land to Cayman Islands. Then, in 2019, there was a huge stealing of bitcoins from Binance whose value stood around $40 million. Zhao faced all these challenges and made sure that the company makes up for all the losses. Do you agree that his story is truly inspiring? He created a belief that it is possible to start a business and succeed in 5 years. He showed that becoming one of the richest in the world would take just a couple of years. Did this give you motivation to start with something you always wanted?